Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz from Oz Mechanics, and on today's video we're going to show you how to change out the connector on the pigtail. So on this vehicle that we have right here, we have a broken connector on the injector pigtail. So we're going to show you how to switch it out on today's video. Alright, so we're right here in the engine compartment. And as you can see right here, we have our ignition coils on the bottom side. We have our injectors right here. And this injector connector right here, when the customer brought it by, he had a misfire. And what I noticed is that this was just basically loose. So I can literally pull this up right here. And let me see if I can zoom into that. As you can see, the little push button right here with the clip is broken off. So what we're going to do on this one, because the wire is not messed up, we're just going to replace this little plastic piece right here. Almost forgot. So this has two wires right here. So what I'm going to do on the connector inside, I'm going to mark one side of the connector. So this one has a yellow and black and a red and black. So I'm going to mark the red and black, and that's going to be on the clip side to the right. Alright, so I'm going to use this marker, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to mark this side, and that's going to be the side that is going to be that red and black wire. Alright, so what we need to take off first is going to be this little white clip right here. I'm going to go ahead and stick my pin right here. And as you can see, that starts lifting up, and then we can start pulling this out. Alright, so you can see that we pulled this out, and that's basically the lock. There's going to be the lock inside, and now what we have to do is get our pick right inside. Let's see, I don't know if you can catch that. There's a little piece right here that we have to push back. Alright, well, my little pick really couldn't help out, so what I'm going to use this back probe right here, and like I said, I'm going to push the tab back. Okay, there you go. Pulled the tab back, and the connector came out. So basically when we pull the tab back, is coming off this little hole right here. The tab is inserted in there, so it won't let this out. Now let's do the other side so we can finish this up. There you go. Both connectors are out. And if you want to, don't throw these away. You can actually use these. If you ever have any wires that mess up, you got these brand new connectors. So now let's go to the car and let's put this on. Alright, so I didn't tape the taking off this one. I just went ahead and took it off because it's basically the same process. But what we're going to do, we're just going to put the brand new one on there. And don't forget to get your locking clip. So remember, I did mark this just to verify. And what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that the side that the hole is right here on the connector is going to go into that clip part inside. So we're going to start with the black one, and we're going to face it upwards, and it should just clip into place. There you go. We heard that little clip. Now let's put our last one on there, and we just want to hear that little clip. There we go. So we're pretty much almost done. Now the only other thing that we need is to get our locking clip, and then just make sure that we put this in the right way. And that's it. We're pretty much done. Now the last thing that we need to do, clip this into place, and as you heard, it clipped on there, and we're done. So if you do like this video, please don't forget to put a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos coming out from Oz Mechanics. Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz from Oz Mechanics, and on today's video I got this 2003 Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and on today's video we got this 2003 Ford F-150 right behind me with the 4-point. Long day at work and you're trying to just freaking get this going.